Hari Om, we are going to do a wonderful pelvis relaxation stretches. Start with Shavasana and slowly move to a butterfly pose. Shubha Baddha Konasana. Take your feet together, open your knees, just push your both thighs towards the ground. Stay there for a few minutes. You can continue in this posture for 1 or 2 minutes. Feel the breath movement on your pelvis area. Next we move to the rotation. Fold your legs and rotate your both legs in opposite angles. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. It gives very good hip flexion, clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do this for 10 rounds each or 20 rounds each. It gives very good toning on your inner thigh muscles and good flexion on your pelvis floor. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch on each and every movement. Now, let's move to the bridge pose. Take your hands above your head. Inhale, lift your hip up and stay there for few seconds, around 30 to 40 seconds. While exhaling, slowly drop it down. Do this for 3 to 5 rounds. Inhale, lift it up. Gently lifting it up. Stay there, keep breathing or take deep inhalation and exhalation. Feel the energy flow to your pelvis area and exhale slowly down. Let's move to the twisting. Shavasana Karshanasana. Just twist your hip right side and left side with open leg. Feel the stretch on your waist, hips and your pelvis. This gives excellent relaxation and it helps to release all the tension on our physical area. It helps to release mental emotions which stored in our chakras. Let's move to sleeping pigeon pose. Right ankle on your left knee and just push it towards your chest. Stay there for 45 seconds to 1 minute. And gently stretch. Again, hip flexion. It gives very good relaxation. Release all your stored emotion on the uterus area like guilt, shame. It helps to increase joy. Now do the same thing with other side. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch. Feel the energy flow on your stretched muscles. And slowly relax and release your pose. Now slowly make the complete stretch. Try to push your knee down towards the ground. And relax. And move to Abhanasana, the lying squat. This helps to increase your digestion, give good cleansing for your uterus. The baby movement. Just hold your big toe and extend your leg. Alternate. This wonderful stress release movement. It gives good relaxation for your lower back and your spine. Continue this for a few seconds as you like. And relax. If you do this before sleep, this highly give good relaxation for your reproductive area. It finish with Shavasana, the complete relaxation of your body. Now slowly release your pose and come back to sitting position. If you want to learn more, please follow our channel. Hari Om.